Hey everyone, we are up at our cabin doing a little work, the family cabin, which we have up in Eagle Meadows. It's about 8,200 feet and just doing kind of some of our yearly maintenance on it. Had to replace a railing that the snow fell on and broke, and doing a little staining. We just stain a little bit on the cabin every year. So the ends of the cabin right here, as you can see behind me, we haven't done either end in a couple years. It doesn't get a lot of sun. It doesn't get like that east or west sun, so it doesn't need it as much. Like our west facing side of the cabin needs it like every other year. So we are trying something out. Usually we brush and roll everything, and I'm trying out this new Wagner Sprayer. Thing's pretty sweet actually. I already did one end and it is working awesome. Especially since, like, with the brush and the roller, you got to get down in the grooves of this siding. This thing is working amazing. I will have a link in the description below if you're interested in getting this. It has two different tips. This is the bigger tip for doing larger jobs. It has a smaller container for doing like real fine, like maybe cabinets. This is more for spraying, you know, sides of houses. It'll do paint and stain, and it works great. It's a little heavy once it's full. You know, you need a little arm strength for it, but other than that, the thing's working really good. All finished up staining with my Wagner sprayer, and let me tell you, that thing was so helpful to use. Normally we brush and roll this whole place, and I did tape off some windows as you saw, but definitely saved me time. It saved me so much time, I ended up doing more. We ended up spraying this whole side of the cabin plus the two ends. So we just got the face that I did. I can't remember if I did it last year or the year before, so it'll probably be due next year. Because it gets the worst, but I'm going to actually get a lift, because up above right there, I can't get into that area with a ladder, so the boys are over here shooting, so that's what those noises are. As you can see, it came out pretty good.